the candidates, we can carry on with the process, but we cannot declare the final results after the interview, my lord. The preliminary and mains are only shortlisting stages,
Where have we stopped you from doing that?
My lord, this para, my lord, this says, while carrying out the process of MP State Services preliminary and mains examination, my lord, the process includes pre-examination, mains examination and the interview, my lord. The process includes all the three stages, my lord. My lord, we are only seeking a clarification that we may be allowed to declare the results only of pre and mains, my lord. We will not declare the results of interview, my lord. After the results of interview only, my lord, the appointments happen, my lord. Appointments will not be happening, my lord.
We have not stopped you from appointing people.
My lord,
where have we stopped?
My lord, my lord, the interim orders.
Keep the reservation up to a limit of 14%. That's my lord, all.
But my lord, we are only seeking a clarification to declare the results, keeping the my lord, we are no one to appoint anyone, my lord. We are only an examination conducting body, and my lord, all the examinations are on halt, my lord, because of this only paragraph, my lord.
That's your fault. We have never halted any examination, any appointment.
But my lord, if we declare the results by keeping 27% OBCs and 40% of UNR, my lord, this order will not be complied, my lord, and this will amount to contempt, my lord. That's why only we are not declaring the results, my lord. If we declare the result with 27% of OBC in compliance of that circular, my lord, that would amount to contempt, my lord. That's why we are not declaring results, my lord. One simple clarification may be given, my lord, that the results may be, my lord, the results of pre and mains may be declared, but the final result after the interview shall be subject to final outcome of this petition, my lord. My lord, there will not be any appointments, my lord, without direction of this honorable court, my lord.
My lord, may I submit only one thing?
So why are you not going ahead with the
lord, because of this, my lord, actually that letter which I have just supplied, my lord, that directs us to declare the results.
No, that is not before us. We can't comment upon that. You have not even brought on record. You will not see it.
My lord, may kindly see this application may be seen.
You can't argue in the air. There's some circulars and something.
My lord, that is on record in other cases, my lord.
No, I'm not. We are talking about this case.
My lord, this IA may be seen, my lord. This IA may be seen, my lord.
No, not your averment. We have to see that circular.
My lord, we'll file the circular, my lord, may be kept in the next week for this IA only, my lord. I'll file that circular, my lord.
You are for?
PSC, my lord. MPPSC. My lord, we are only examination conducting body, my lord. All the examinations are on halt, my lord, because of this only para, my lord.
They are not at all at halt.
My lord, all the appointments and the final result, my lord, final results is only called after the interview, my lord. There will not be any appointments without any interview and final result of the interview, my lord.
My lord, they want to open the Pandora's box. They want to say...
What we meant was, you go ahead by ignoring the amendment.
My lord.
Please go ahead. That is what this order means.
My lord,
go ahead with that 14%.
My lord, after that, my lord, I may be allowed to explain one situation, my lord. If we go ahead with 14% of OBCs, my lord, and my lord, ultimately, if this amendment is upheld by this honorable court, my lord, that would mean that 27% of OBCs shall be there in the list, my lord. Then, my lord, from where we will take out these 13% remaining OBCs, my lord. मतलब वो हम कहाँ से लाएंगे 13% OBCs, my lord? अगर अभी हमें allow कर दिया जाए.
Question you have to answer.
मतलब that's what time. मतलब वो उसी का explanation ये है कि
आप हमारे कंधे पे बंदूक रख के चलाना चाहते हैं.
No, my lord.
Please don't do that. No.
My lord, I may be allowed to explain
one situation. Your legal opinion, whatever you get, please go ahead. Don't breach this order.
That circular is only on legal opinion.
It is not there before us. How can we see?
I may be allowed to explain one situation, my lord. One situation only, my lord. मतलब उस सर्कुलर के माध्यम से हम केवल इतना कहना चाहते हैं कि अगर फॉर एग्जांपल हमने 100% सीट्स पब्लिश करी हैं एडवर्टीजमेंट में, हमने 571 सीट्स जो हैं वो एडवर्टीजमेंट में पब्लिश करी हैं, हमने उस 571 सीट्स को 113% हाइपोथेटिकली इंक्रीज किया जस्ट बिकॉज कि 13% जो है वो ओबीसी का रिजर्वेशन बढ़ाया गया, 14 से 27 बढ़ाया तो हो गया 13% इंक्रीज हो गया. वो 13% आएगा कहाँ से? 40% यूएनआर की सीट से. मतलब तो जब ये अलाउ हो जाएगा तो 40% जो है यूएनआर की सीट्स वो घट के 27 हो जाएंगी और 27 ही ओबीसी का हो जाएगा. तो मतलब हम केवल उस सर्कुलर के बेसिस पे इतना कर रहे हैं कि हम सीट्स को हाइपोथेटिकली 113%
अनरिजर्व की सीट से क्यों जाएंगे? तो आप ओबीसी के और भी हैं ना लोग.
नो मतलब अनरिजर्व की सीट से ही 13% आएगा क्योंकि टोटल सीट्स तो 100% है. मतलब उसकी मतलब टोटल सीट्स आर 100%, उसमें मतलब 40 जो है वो यूएनआर रहती हैं, अनरिजर्व होती हैं, 27 जो है वो अगर ये अमेंडमेंट अलाउ हो जाता है तो 27 जो है वो ओबीसी की हो जाएंगी, मतलब 16 होती हैं एससी की, 20 होती हैं एसटी की एंड 10 होती हैं ईडब्ल्यूएस की। मतलब ये सब मिला के होता है 113%। इसमें जो 113 है मतलब, इसमें जो 100 से ऊपर 13 एक्स्ट्रा है वो केवल यहाँ से आया है, मतलब जो ओबीसी की 14 से 27 हो गई है, मतलब इससे आया है। तो मतलब ये जो 13 आया है ये घटेगा कहाँ से? 40 जो यूएनआर की सीट्स हैं वहां से घटेगा। अभी हम केवल इतना कह रहे हैं कि जो प्रोसेस है हमारी उसमें प्री में हम क्या करेंगे?
The moment you do that, the unreserved reservation becomes less than 50. और reservation तो नहीं कहना चाहिए. Seats
it will
available
open the
become
Pandora's
less than 50.
But recruitments will not be done, my lord. We are only declaring the results, my lord.
That prima facie goes against the law which is settled till date. How do you do that?
My lord, we are only seeking permission to declare the result, my lord. We are examination conducting.
You do whatever you like.
My lord, I'll file that circular, my lord. May be kept in the next week only for that IA, my lord. May be kept in the next week, my lord. I'll file that circular, my lord. I will.
My lord, this particular, my lord, may I just submit on 13/7/2021? If my lord will see the order sheet.
तो ये तभी तो लगाई थी आज की भी बहस शुरू हो जाएगी, बट ये लोग डिले कर रहे हैं, क्या करें?
My lord, only on that IA, my lord, may be kept in the next.
Let us start with the arguments then. You have a GAD circular, you have a High Court interim order, which prevails upon which? Do you still need advice for that?
My lord,
Very surprising.
my lord, we are not seeking advice, my lord. My lord, the only problem is, my lord,
Which prevails upon whom?
my lord, this order
If
of,
there are two conflicting views, which will prevail?
my lord, this will prevail, my lord. Actually,
What will prevail?
my lord, this order, my lord, of 27/4,
Obviously, if it prevails, go ahead.
my lord, this prevails, my lord, but my lord,
No,
this
don't
will,
argue without this thing on record.
my lord, I'll take this on record, my lord, may be kept in the next week, my
No,
lord.
no, then we'll start with the arguments.
सर एक निवेदन था अपना.
The moment the regular bench starts, we'll start with the arguments. The learned Solicitor General can join later on.
सर निवेदन करना ये चाह रहा था मैं कि ये जो हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर है